Contour maps or topographic maps. Okay? Hopefully, kayo numdum pata or nadyo'y wapay idea what contour maps are. Topographic maps. Na? Kay about tanan? Na idea. And kalimot na, papa. Anyway, sige. So, topo maps are basically plan view of your site. Pero they have these contour lines. Kaning naka-quad. Siya tawag gani. Curved na lines. Okay? Often showing the representing different elevation. Okay? So, kanang contour line, it represents the same na sa tanang elevation. Okay? At that point. Okay? And usually na siya number. Okay? Indicated. So, na sila interval per contour lines. Usually na siya sa indicated on the map itself na shown pila interval niya pila scale. In here, pila kay interval sa ato ang contour lines. You have an answer? Pila? 5, right? So, you have this darkened na contour lines with the number that is called an index contour. Okay? Usually, makita na nato siya if very zoom out ato ang topo maps. So, usually, ang kanarang very darkened na contour lines at na distance mo'y dark na number kay if tanan lines na number mapuno ato ang ato ang map magkagubot. Okay? So, kada siyang darkened lines usually makita nato sa big nya zoomed out na contour maps or topo maps. Okay? Ang interval niya, so example here we have 5, usually indicates pila ang intervals in terms of depende sa unit use, meters, feet, or quad. Pero here, let's assume meters. Okay? So, 1 meter per interval. Okay? Sabot rata? Okay? So next, we would want to see the quad, tawag ni, site profile of a given area. Okay? So we can slice a cutting plane anywhere we want. In this case, I slice a cutting plane. It's a vertical plane. Okay? Vertical plane. Unlimited plane, basically. Okay? It's cutting across my side here. Okay? Usually it's perpendicular to the contour lines to show the profile of the contour. Okay? If along siya sa contour line, then we won't be able to see unsay slope ni contour. Okay? Pero makita na to ang view sa land itself. Dili no ang profile. Okay? So, we're level ra kayo if we're gonna go along just the parallel to the contour. Okay? So, usually we cut across or perpendicular to the contour lines. Okay? To get the slope. Okay? Usually indicated, the lower the number, the lower it is in terms of elevation. Okay? So the higher the number, the higher siya. Okay? Usually 450 for quad na nasa quad K is above mean sea level. Okay? If nasa bukid, usually nasa mga higher na numbers. Okay? So, munang naka 450 na akong ibutang here. Sabot, it's high na elevation. Okay. So, it's 449 above sea level. mean sea level. Okay? So once we've cut place a cutting plane or cutting plane sa atong side, asa siya ni-intersect sa ato ang contour lines. So this points here, this red point, green point, and the blue point, ako lang nang i-interpret para di na sa malibog. So ako na siya i-project down to their designated elevation. Okay, so example, this is 450. Here I have lines that are with a 1 meter interval. Yeah, I'm gonna project these points towards their designated na elevation. Okay, so here 450, then 451, then 452, 453, and so on. Okay, then we can connect those dots using our French curve, or you can do it manually. So as long as it's not gonna go beyond the lines, okay, can be anywhere, as long as it does not go beyond the lines, that should represent our profile sa ato site. Kasabot rada?
Yes.
Got this so far?
Yes.
Okay. So usa ni sa itong first steps when we are designing the on uneven ground. Okay? So we have to analyze kung sa atong profile asa man diha atong best nga areas to locate our building. Okay? So let's say I'm placing my building smack in the middle. Okay? So this building or this structure is 6 by 9 structure with a height of 4 meters. So ako lang i-locate smack in the middle lang. So this is how we plan. Asa siya nga elevation. Okay? If we're gonna put it in this scheme 1 here, we're gonna put it at the top without cutting our earth. Okay? We'll have to fill this area here. That green, we have to fill it with earth so that we can get that level. Okay? Or we can provide stilts. Okay? So, muna yung atang option. Okay? So, if mag-provide ng stilts, maka-use niya punta sa ubos. Okay? And maybe we'll have retaining wall or riprap. Okay? You research retaining walls and riprap. Okay, since that's how you retain the earth, so it won't give way sa itong mga space. Okay? So, examples, you can see a lot of that here sa Talambag. Those stone arrangement. So, na yung mga stonework, usay na say concrete, nasa piles, sheet piles. Okay? I think nasa building, i-discuss ba na ninyo sa inyo yung building tech? Wala? I-touch lang? No? Okay. Anyway, you look sa research lang gamay, bisag gamay lang. Okay? Doesn't have to be kanang accurate at this time around. It's just kanang representation lang sa anyway the engineers may mo handle sa sizing na later on. Di ba kay bawapanan? Okay? So we would want to know asa na to siya i-locate. Okay? As architects or designers. So in the scheme 2, akong cut the whole thing. Okay? So cut, I don't know where to put my excess earth. Akong remove. So maybe I'd probably place it here. Fill it in the front here. Okay? So low na kaya ko ang building here. Right? Na siya at this area. Or sunken na kaya siya here. Probably I'll have a retaining wall here. Okay? And the third scheme would be like this. Akong for middle ground, I cut the earth here and then the excess na earth I just filled sa kaning void na nahimo there. Okay? So that's another scheme. So kasabot rata ana na area. Okay? So let's say I'm gonna do the third scheme. Third scheme. Okay? So first thing, I identify my natural grade line. Okay? So akong natural grade line, I'm gonna locate it at 453. Okay? Take note lang. So what I need dimensions, that's 9, that's 6 meters, 3 meters from the side, 5 meters from the front ang setback. Okay? Ako lang, note lang yan. The side is around 20 meters by 12 meters. Okay? Yung boundary. Okay, so as usual, we construct the typical itong start 2-point perspective na setup. Okay? Maybe you have papers there if you want to sketch or you want to do this. Pwede rasan. Or may take notes lang maron. Sure mo na, by the way, since ilan man taka kuan kanang sessions ng kuanan ni kanang nagsigig video ba? Nagamit yun na ninyo yung video? O tala lang. Nagamit ninyo?
Yes.
Sure ha?
Yes.
Sige. Effective maka ninyo. So sige, pasagdan ta mo. Anyway, so once you had that set up, okay, so muna itong typical na setup, di ba? We have this red na setup. So VPY there, VPX here, MPY din eh. This is not VPY here, and MPX. Pero sa may na-change na ko here. What did I add? I add this cyan and this blue nga line
Sub
here.
GL.
Okay? This works the same way as your ground line and this one baselines. Okay? Basically, I'm just making a sub-ground line or alternative ground line here, the lower area. Okay? It could be anywhere. I'm just gonna make one very low. Okay? So that I can see here, mas dako siya kuan area to work with compared sa kaning here, nagamay kayo kong area. Okay? Sabot ta so far? Okay? So, it still works the same. Look, 5 meters from 0. Yeah, I'm gonna vanish that to MPX. That's the intersection, right? Sa red side, I did the same thing. Awa, they're all aligned. Okay? Pasabot, I can do the same. I can do measurements sa akong x-axis or the hapon na ni. So long as nako yung baselines kapon here. Separate akong baseline. Okay, dili nako dire iba ang intersection. Okay? Nya dapat kaning subgrade line nagamon sa asa. Picture plane. Okay? Always a picture plane ato ang reference. Okay? So, ang 0 na dyan na siya sa picture plane. Okay? Sabot perta so far? Okay, so step 4. Okay, so there. Instead of constructing my footprint here at the ground line, I'm gonna construct it here at the sub ground line. Okay? And then I'm just gonna project that up to my ground line. Gets? So mura na siya. I'm just showing you, pwede ra sa gali, imbes sa ubos, pwede sa na siya sa taas. It works the same way. Okay? So, katong mga naglisod, sa mga gamay na kayo kung pwede na ninyo ibalhin og lain nga horizontal na plane. It still works. Okay? So, by the way, I'm using 53, 52, 51, 50 just so I don't get lost sa ako ang elevation, sa ako ang contour. Okay? Pero you can use whatever you want. 0, 1, 2, negative 1, negative 2. Pwede na sa. Okay? So anyway, I'm gonna work on my building sa ako ang reference na natural grade line. Okay? Natural grade line, ha? It's not the floor finish line. Separate si floor finish line si natural grade line. Maybe floor finish line elevated pa gamay. Okay? So, once I have that, kasabot ta so far aning step? Kasi wa kasabot. Okay ra ta?
3,000.
Okay ra? So, next step would be
3,000
simply construct the
away from
structure
the building.
above that natural
Yun ay
grade line.
3,000 away from
Okay.
the property.
So, muna itong structure on that grade. Okay?
Alam, ito ako mo pag, grade.
Yeah. Step 6 will be to plot our contour lines at the subground plane. So, munang ako na siyang gituyo og ubos. Okay, I want to plot my contour lines there.
Yeah.
Gets? Okay, if ako i-plot ang contour lines here sa akong ground line, maglisod ko. No. Munang here na lang. Mas better pa, mas convenient pa nako to work with. Okay? So, sabutan ng step. So, sa atong panday, note time, ato ang contour lines here, I don't need it to be the most accurate. Okay? Pwede, good? You can. May kaso.
Freehand.
So, what I did here, that's why I'm showing the plan here, is I made a sort of grid here, right? That's the same grid sa diri, reflected on my subgrade na plane. Okay? So, ako lang nang reflect dayon. Sketch lang, not necessarily one.
Perspective sa video.
Measured, but if you want to measure, pwede sa kayo. It will just take a bit of time. Okay? Pero naranan ninyo. Anyway, contours, kuan man kayo siya. Kanang organic kayo ba? Doesn't always kuan kanang represent actual jud. Okay? Pero if na yung mga elements there like what if gazebo, then maybe kana ako na siyang i-reflect. Asa jud siya, exact niya nga location, and I'm just gonna move that sa asa siya nga level na set. Okay? Or a different structure, I'm gonna move that sa asa siya na ang iyang grade line. Okay? Kasabot pa so far? Okay? Easy ra? So far?
I don't know.
So, mubo naman na yung discussion tayo. Anyway, so, step 7 is, so I'm gonna plot a side profile at the vertical cutting plane of your choice. Okay? Of my choice. In this case, a cutting plane exactly at one side of the structure is used. So, one side, by one side I mean this side here. Here. Okay? Exactly this plane here. Markog na himo ko cutting plane line. So I'm gonna know kung say profile sa ako ang earth anang aside. So that's what I'm doing here. Okay? So basically that's the cutting plane line in perspective. Okay? I don't need to hatch this. I just hatch this para lang makita na to. Nga mo ni siya ang cutting plane. Sabot ra so far? Okay? So, notice that ang cutting plane intersect siya sa ako mga contours dira. Okay? So, those contours there have their level. Same gapon sa itong ibuhat ganiha. Diba? I'm just projecting those up. Yeah, here, akong mga elevation levels here, I'm just gonna project that towards the VPY until it intersects the cutting plane. And then, project it towards VPX. Yeah, has mga points there that should create that profile set here in my ananga face. Sabot ba ta? So basically, I drew this in perspective. Gets?
Look na ko ng perspective.
Question?
Um,
Wala? Klaro ra?
Wala.
Okay. So next, I'm gonna do the same thing at a different na lang sad na plane. Okay? Or vertical plane. So here I did it at the boundary. Okay? Or I can do it another one more sa ako ang back na side or the opposite side sa kaning front here to find out ahang mutat siya sa ground. Okay? Pero wala na akong gibuhat because I know nga na siya somewhere in between the 51 and 52 mark here. This point here is in between 51 and 52 na contour line. So I just projected it somewhere here maybe since it's nearer to the 51 na contour line
Don't get it.
there.
Asa ang green?
Sorry.
Sorry.
Anong between?
Okay. Here?
Because
Ada. At the back?
Di kay ko klaro sa green.
Kani? Oh, this one is this line here is the same line
Yeah, sa kanang
we just
squiggly line.
provided.
But then,
Okay.
naman to sa
So,
line.
in this in this slide, I did it sa back. Yeah, maybe sa diri sa side. Ani. Okay? So, to find out lang aha mo touch siya sa ground. Okay? Pero, pwede na ako siya estimate kay naman siya, kani siya here, this point. It's in between mark 51 and 52. Okay? So, I can determine asa na siya nga sa elevation. This is 51, 52. Okay? Project that to BBY. Yeah, since that plane here is around this plane. So, dre, 51, 52, the middle here. Okay? And then projected it towards the BPX as siya intersect aning line here. That's the point of contact sa kuang structure sa ground. Gets?
Yes.
So,
You
mas
simply
na
connect
green na line behind.
These two, one,
Yeah, at the back.
2
Pero same lang
points.
sila.
Okay? Di siya can necessarily straight. Okay, since it's landscaping man, so pwede na siya
Ito very picture.
squiggly.
Di klaro ang
Squiggly.
line.
Okay?
Diba dapat yung
Or
line nga
grass.
ma-connect
Or I don't
sa
know.
abos?
Kamu na bahala. Anyway, kita na ko later.
Then, is this.
Pwede i-zoom.
I can also create the profile at this side, okay? Or even outside the site if I have that data. Okay? For more accurate representation of my contours. And then just connect those elevations or elevation na points. Sabot na ta?
Okay, sir.
Okay? So I can have an accurate depiction of my contour or site na slope. Okay? So once we have that, final step. Okay?
Wow.
Add details, entourage, or scale, plot the shade and shadows, and finally render the object. Okay? So what we have here is itong shape sa structure. Okay? And the slope of the earth there. Okay? Yung katong slope niya sa side siyang boundary. And I just made up the other areas there. Okay, wag mo ko ibaw. Pero more or less, it should be like that. Yeah. The horizon dion is here. Okay? You have to note asan yung horizon na.
Ay, di mo na, di ba ito one
The further
point
na yan.
period?
Yeah, probably more earth here sa front. So,
Pero ayaw na.
ako na lang i-hide through vegetation. Okay? It doesn't have to be the most accurate, pero you can frame your building na like that. Okay?
Yan, sister, it doesn't have to be
So,
accurate.
Natay question?
Doesn't have to be most accurate.
It doesn't have to be accurate though.
Also, remember the atmospheric na style of rendering perspective. Okay? So, the further it is from the front or so background, it tends to fade, desaturate. Okay? So it's cooler nga this nga background mo. Bantay mo sa mga mountains, it becomes a bit bluish instead of green. Okay, so yeah, faded siya gamay. Okay, so desaturated, yeah, faded. Okay,
Cool.
yeah, what to? Okay, so ano? Any questions? Yes.
Oh, yeah. Sa section. Ang slope.
Basta doesn't matter. Okay, basta it just di siya mo go beyond the lines. Okay, so earth mo ko siya, so it could pwede sa straight
Oh, okay.
random man siya. Unless inyong
Importante lang kaya
orchestrate
points
inyong
sa
gihimo
high.
road. Yeah, na mo'y certain na slope jud. So you're gonna have to adjust the contour na anak. Bali na sa siya. Inyong straight kani nga profile,
And then,
you're gonna draw a straight line there. Yeah, kamo tanan na iyang contour na sa follow. Usab niyang contour. Okay?
Kung
So,
magkuan tag road.
Di pasabot na tay
Instead of like
contour fix na
mahagdan-
sa
hagdan
contour,
na
pwede
slope,
na ito
kailangan
ma-change
ma-smooth
kung say
out tong
kung
road
sa
na
mga liato
part.
ang
There's a road.
mga added na
oh my
features there.
gosh.
Atong erase baron, we're
So,
gonna
di
fill
ko
it up,
ganahan mag-road.
fill areas there,
So,
add,
pag-access ito.
retaining walls,
Wala.
we're gonna make a hole, I don't know, whatever. Okay? Pwede ra, we're gonna create depressions there.
Ano sa inyo?
Pwede ra kayo. Wala rin problema. Depende sa inyong design. Okay? Pero as for making our drawing a perspective view in an even terrain, this is what you do. Okay? At least this is what I do. Okay? Question?
Sir. Sir. What if yung tatakay sir ang road?
Yes.
How do we question?
The
Sir,
the
yung
quad,
perspective ang
the
road.
lot or the design you mean? The lot. So the lot here is not
process.
ano siya? Dili man siya flat. The lot is sloping,
Pero is
not rectangular you mean.
straight, like,
So mo gihapon.
cement pa man jud ang road. So, magiging
Oh, pero
straight jud
the
siya.
section line is makuha man imong profile. Depende sa inyong section line.
Sir, ang saan
Okay?
ang-
So,
anong road?
inyong perspective i-agad
Kung
ninyo sa
saan
inyong
ang
magkuhan gihapon.
pag-slope sa road.
So you can
Ika lang.
imagine
You can do it.
perspective di man sa ninyo i-design ang
Wait,
full lot
kung saan pag-slope sa
Unless-
road.
unless aerial view.
Ah,
Yeah, three-point
How
perspective.
do we
Okay?
add
You're just gonna just a section of your lot naman. You can
ng mas smooth
yes.
or na by tips or technique?
Importante lang na areas your perspective. Or maybe if you want to feature the another area, duha ka po. Path. Okay, so Uto, you're gonna have to figure out kung saan ay contour sa
Yeah.
na-create sa inyong path. Okay?
Like
And you're
a
gonna,
certain
kuwan,
part
make
lang
studies
makita. How?
using this method. Okay?
Hindi ako na method.
So if
Pwede
you
man
get
ka mukat.
one,
Ana, diagonal. Okay, if your path is like that, inyong cut diagonal
Na
para makita
Once
ninyo
na
sa
anay
slope
road,
sa akong path.
like ma-adjust na
Pasisip
siya
ra kayo,
ang
taga po
ang
dito.
contour lines
Duro.
mag-gradient
Okay?
na siya.
Mhm.
Once mag-gradient nimo mag-ingana naka
So if you're gonna make a path na diagonal, is less
para
steeper.
ma-projection.
Okay?
so you have
Kaysa imong
to
i-follow ang contour like that. So
I-kuan
generally,
siya,
mas
like,
dumpol kaya ito ang
i-form
mga
of
contour
new
lines.
contour lines
It
para
means
sa
mas
road.
steep. Ato
And
ang
then once i-project nimo try as much as
ato
possible
ang
ma-smoothen out
lot.
siya for the
From the race.
so slope and then
Kung
another
wakali
side
siya
slope
ikuan,
for
wa
the
siya
road.
sitaw
For
ni.
example, what if
Wa siya
straight?
intervals, pasabot na dito tagak na.
like instead of
Okay?
kanang original
So, kani
slope,
here, I
or
cut it,
instead of the
dito na siya
original
taga.
slope i-change na nimo ang part na ang road
Okay?
so that it
Yeah.
will make a
So if
ikat
na siya
niya,
more
no?
gradual nga na,
Ikat mo
magtutupol
ang
na siya.
slope.
Tupol
yeah
ang lines.
like maghimo kita back ang katong region ba
Question. So kaya ra,
Wish na amat yung video.
Okay.
Upload na sa...
Mark inyo ay look at your lot. Di man sa din mo na naka-steep. I think. Okay?
Ay, napuntos ako kanina.
Pila yung intervals sa
Ay,
ilang
basta
1
diba
meter sa
kani, once na anay road,
Yeah.
ma-change na nimo ang contour lines or this ana niyo.
Ay,
Ano mo?
dili. For the kapag ko sira. Hindi naman jud sa kuan.
How did they ka nag-concern sa road?
Huh?
So, di mo question about
mas steep pa siguro rin ako.
Example,
Okay?
dili.
So,
And then,
it's up to you na. Okay?
morning original nga contour lines. Once na naka-early, mo na itong ma-change depende
Pero
sa...
madugay na.
Basta ka itong gradient ka itong...
So,
wait.
Kap-
If
napabot mo sa
ma-change ang
schematic
gradient,
na
it's
stage
either
this
mag-cut
time,
or
no?
mag-fill.
Yeah.
Yes?
ganun.
So, kanila lang ta.
Yeah.
So, na changes
Okay.
ha.
Sa inyong
Yeah.
hangkuan, inyong elevation
Yeah,
sa set,
that's why
or inyong
nag-ingon si Sir mag...
um,
That's why nag-advise si
building
Sir
set.
mo
By
sa
the way,
tagngani
di
na
ra kailangan
plan
sa building,
and then
pwede
magkuan ka sa
like what if
building
kapoy
and the
open
road.
space here,
Para once
okay?
sure na
And
ka
then
nga
your
mo na
retaining wall
gani
there,
yung
okay?
road. Ano na ang time
Pwede rin gapon na siya.
elevation
Doesn't
kanya
have to be
ma-sure ni mo
Pinpin na dahil sa building.
masakto ang slope.
Okay?
Diba sa
Oo.
katong
So, I can
exercise
move
yung
a bit
pabuhat ni
of
Sir.
space here.
So, I think,
We're gonna do
Gonna
that.
cut
after
that.
niyo mo ma...
Yeah, I'm gonna put a retaining wall here. So, na kayo,
You
open
can
pang
change
area
the
here.
slope
Okay?
na. Like, you
Yeah,
Or
you
here,
can
na-
change.
Cut this.
Yeah.
So,
We're
retaining
gonna
wall there.
change it.
Na kayo open na area here. Maka-kuha pa ko.
Shit,
Maka-go around ako sa building.
Maka-start site na.
Okay?
Wala ko yung nalipag.
And maybe I can do what? So, karo rata diha napita. Okay? Naman eh, neighbors inyo mga kuan site? Or
Wala.
kuan lang? So, assume lang nga kuan, open to nature, big site.
Okay,